This is TWiT.
The next Chinese firm to be banned, America's favorite drone maker, DJI. Congress is weighing legislation to ban it. They will ban, have the FCC ban U.S. telecommunications company from doing business with DJI, which of course would knock the drone out of the air because they use the phone system, the cellular system, to navigate. That's the only way they can do it because it's too far. You know, they go a mile away, the distance. Your DJI, your existing DJI would be safe, but any new DJI drones would be prohibited.
Okay. So what's go ahead, Paris. You go.
I was going to say the article goes on. The Treasury and Commerce Departments have penalized DJI over the use of its drones for spying on Uyghur Muslims who are held in camps by Chinese officials in the Xinjiang region. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly, which I think is a fair, sort of sanction.
No, it's not. Listen, DJI is not doing that. DJI drones are being used by the Chinese government to do that. DJI is not going and spying any more than DJI is going and doing law enforcement duties. It is the number one drone being used by law enforcement in the United States.
Okay, that is different.
It's not DJI. It's whoever is buying these drones, and because they are easily the best drones out there, they're the least expensive. Of course, they're used by the Chinese government and our own government. So I understand you want to punish China. Certainly, their treatment of the Uyghurs is appalling. They put them in prison camps because they're Muslims. But I don't think, the problem is we're saying any company that is a Chinese company is a threat to us. But this really leads down a pretty bad road. Our phones and our computers and our telecommunications equipment, so much of our infrastructure is made in China.
Hello. All your Macs are made in China. All your iPhones
all
are
your
made in China.
PCs are made in China too, by the way.
I mean, we really want to cut it off? Do we really want to balkanize the entire world to that extent? We've been there. We used to be there.
Hey, it's Leo Laporte. I hope you enjoyed this little snippet from our show This Week in Google. For the full show, you can either go to our website, twit.tv/TWiG, or find TWiG in your favorite podcast client. And, of course, there's links right below, somewhere down there, for more information.